welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. So today's video is going to be a review for Born Pretty's limited edition stamping plates. This is set 1. You will get 5 plates in each set. This plate is BP-A03. It is 14 large images with negative spaces on the bottom. It is a floral plate. First, you will need to remove the protective film from the stamping plate. I am using Born Pretty's stamping polish in black with my Born Pretty scraper, with my Born Pretty stamper. As you can see, it picks up great. And here it is on the pop stick. This plate is very nicely etched. On the negative space images, scrape as low as possible, as it will help with picking up. As you can see, it's a perfect pickup, and this is what it looks like on the pop stick. As you can see, I use quite a bit of polish to fill in the image, and I scrape as low as I can. I roll my stamper to pick up. As you can see, it's a perfect pickup. And this is what it looks like. These images would look great over an ombre or simply filled in. And remember to try and scrape as low as you can. Remember to roll your stamper. Another perfect pickup. And here is what it looks like. This plate has some beautiful images. Now let's move on to some white polish. On this kind of image you don't need to scrape so low. I still roll my stamper. And as you can see, it's still a perfect pickup. And here it is on the pop stick. There is a lot of fine detail on this stamping plate. I try and only scrape once. I always roll my stamper. Just look at all that detail. It stamps perfect. With these images you can do LED lighting and reverse stamping. This plate is just perfect. I have got it to pick up first time, every time. Just look at all that detail. It stamps perfect. The possibilities with this plate is endless. It will be perfect for spring and summer manis. I cannot wait to use this plate on my nails. As you can see, still a perfect pickup. As you can see on the pop stick. And here is all the swatches. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.